Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to see information about stock exchange or stock market. If you are a beginner or you are already familiar with investing, this session will help you see how exchanges work, what are the indices present in national and Bombay Stock Exchange, and how you can participate in these indices in a very simple manner. So, let's see today's agenda. So, a very basic introduction to the stock exchanges, the major exchanges in India, a look at international exchanges and how they influence global market, and overview on indices in NSE and BSE, which acts as a benchmark for the performance, and finally, some simple ways to invest in indices, either by the way of a mutual fund or ETF or a exchange traded fund. So let us move on to the next slide. So here we see stock exchange is kind of a platform which allows companies to list their shares and raise capital. So either it is via way of IPO or through secondary markets or QIP offers or follow-on offers. And it also allows our retail investors like you and me to participate in the growth trajectory of these companies and accumulate wealth as per our capability. So stock exchanges generally provide liquidity to the companies. It provides transparency in transactions to the shareholders as well as the companies listed onto the stock exchange. So we have a very strong regulator in terms of SEBI, who actually does a very good job in terms of protecting retail investors' interest. And then we have other entities which support this infrastructure, that the companies who participate in the stock market, the brokers who enable us and give a platform for us to do the investing or trading, and then the regulators who oversee this entire setup. So in terms of the local stock market, it gives, or any stock market of a country, it gives the economic strength of that country. So stock markets are very important and they play a very crucial role in today's economy. So now let us look at what are the various stock exchanges in India. So we have Bombay Stock Exchange, one of the very oldest stock exchange. So on this platform, we can buy or sell equity instruments, derivatives, debt instruments, and commodities. Similarly, on National Stock Exchange, which is a NSE, we can buy equity, derivatives, debt, and commodities. On Metropolitan Stock Exchange, very seen or known to everyone. Again, it is very similar to NSE or BSE, equity, derivatives, and debt. Then there is a special exchange only for trading the commodities, starting from agricultural products to silver and gold. Whatever you want to, you can invest via MCX or multi commodity exchange. And the multi commodity exchange itself is a listed company on NSE and BSE. And then we have NCDEX representing commodity derivatives. Then we also have India INX and NSE IFSC. Both of these are in GIFT City in Gujarat and help us with the international exposure. So via these GIFT City indices, we can actually invest in any of the international markets, like say Nasdaq or a Korean market or a Japanese market. Along with all these markets, we also have a power trading platform or exchange in terms of Indian Energy Exchange or IEX. So let us see On the next slide, we will see what are the major uh, stock exchanges across the globe in terms of market capitalization. So these are 13 stock exchanges that we see, starting from NYSE, which is a New York Stock Exchange, one of the biggest in the world in terms of market capitalization. And then Europe, we have few London Stock Exchange, the Euronext, the Deutsche Exchange. And then India, we have National and Indian Stock Exchange. Then we have Shanghai Stock Exchange representing the tremendous economic growth of China. Then we also have Shenzhen Stock Exchange, Hong Kong Stock Exchange, Tokyo Stock Exchange representing Japan. Then Korea, we have Korean Stock Exchange, the KRX. Then we also have Australian Stock Exchange or ASX. So in all, there are many stock exchanges which provide us an opportunity to invest our money internationally as well as locally. So this is just a list again which shows international stock exchanges. Okay, now let us come back to our domestic market. And we see National Stock Exchange has broadly categorized all the companies into major indices, sectoral indices, thematic, and strategy indices. So we have Nifty 50, Nifty Next 50, Nifty 500, then mid cap, so based on the market capital, small cap, and then again we have uh, the sectoral indices, so banks, Nifty Bank, Nifty Auto, IT, energy, media, PSU Bank, gas, then telecom, and the micro cap, again based on the market capital. And then thematic indices representing the MNC, services, consumption, PSE, or infrastructure. And then we have the strategic indices representing the quality companies or companies having very low volatility in terms of their market valuation, and then fixed income instruments. So all of these help us focus to a particular sector or particular theme. And similar to National Stock Exchange, on our Bombay Stock Exchange also we have all these categories. Uh, Broader indices are represented by BSE 100, 200, small cap, mid cap, large cap, and then sectoral indices represented by banks, auto, IT, healthcare, capital goods, metal, technology, and telecom, private banks, oil and gas, real estate, capital goods. Similarly, on the thematic side, security, dividend stability, consumption, so focused specifically on a particular theme. On the strategy side, similar to industry, we have quality healthy, and then we have low volatility, then carbon banks, high dividend yield companies. And fixed income also, they have liquid as well as government bonds, safe creator and corporate bonds. So all in all, n number of indices, it depends on us, which sector or which thing we want to focus upon, and then uh, all of these indices provide you with benchmark in terms of what is the returns each of the sector is giving. So now how to participate? It's very simple. We have to purchase ETF, which is electronically traded fund or index mutual fund. Both of them have a very low cost, cost efficient management cost for this fund, so not the actual value that we are going to invest. So I have listed some of the top or famous, I would say, the ETF and the mutual fund. So for example, on India ETF, Nifty 50, SBI and Nifty 50, both of them focusing on the Nifty 50 benchmark. And then we have HDFC, BSE Sensex fund, which is benchmarking the BSE Sensex. Then ICICI Prudential Nifty Next 50. So again, it is focusing on the Nifty Next 50 index of National Stock Exchange. Now, one interesting thing is how do we participate in the international market? Suppose someone wants to buy a Microsoft or a Google share, then from India, Indian citizens, it is directly not possible, but uh, mutual funds has made it possible for us. So you can invest in Motilal Oswal, Nasdaq, and the ETF, and through them you can actually be a shareholder, indirect shareholder of these companies. And similarly, we have Mirae Asset NYSE and ETF, then we have Mirae Asset S&P 500 ETF, frankly US focused with opportunities for nothing but fund of fund, and then Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 50 ETF. So these are the various simple ways to invest into local, that is India-based stock market or international stock market. So that's it for today. It's a very short session and very basic one, but it's important for the beginner. Thank you very much.